Hi guys. In this video today, I am going to be talking about the current pandemic scenario in the country, especially with respect to the homeopathic point of view. The entire country is in a state of panic, and whomsoever we are coming across who's been diagnosed with COVID, the first reaction of the people is, I am going to die. Will I be able to survive? What if my lungs collapse? What if I don't get a bed in the hospital? What if there is going to be no oxygen supply? The entire scenario in the country is of threat. We have come across cases where people have not even moved out of their houses and still they have contacted COVID. Homeopathy believes in the dynamic concept of infection. How did the contagion infect those people who never even left their homes? The reason is the spread of the scare, the threat, the fright, the constant talk about COVID. Talking about COVID will not help us eradicate it in any way. So, even if four to five people are standing in a marketplace, they're discussing COVID. What we are doing is nothing but spreading the infection. The infection spreads, the agent is able to infect the host only when our immunities are lowered. Strong emotions like fright, rage, guilt, panic, shock, they have a lowering influence on the immunity of the host, and which in turn makes us susceptible to such infectious diseases. Another very common phenomena that is happening is, even if a single person in the family is getting infected, the entire family gets into a state of bewilderment. Everybody gets panic. Everybody starts thinking, what if we catch the disease as well? What if we fall sick as well? Now, this is a very grim situation. We've come across many cases in which the patients have told us that they have had strong emotional upsets a week prior to the development of the disease. It is my earnest request to all the homeopathic physicians to inquire for such strong emotional upsets, which led to the development of COVID 19, which led to the development of high grade fevers, severe lung diseases, severe lung distress. Because only if a person has such strong emotional upsets in the past that he becomes vulnerable to such and such infections. As per the homeopathic concept, we believe in the dynamism, we believe in the dynamic influence. What is it that actually gets into the house and infects the person, even if the person does not move out, even if nobody from the family is going out? There must be something which is infecting the patient, even while he's sitting at home. And that is nothing but the concept of dynamic infection. So, spreading WhatsApp messages and spreading, talking about home remedies or talking about how to deal with COVID and just talking about COVID in general will not help us eradicate COVID. What is the point of talking about it? We know we have to maintain social distancing. We know we have to wear a mask. We know we have to remain in our own respective homes. But then why are we talking about it? The only stimuli that is there in everybody's mind right now is COVID 19. And so we are even reacting to that very stimuli and even reacting in out of proportion manner. If you are at home, you are maintaining your hygiene, you're wearing a mask, you're following the social distancing norms, then why are you in a panic stricken state? You are doing nothing but lowering your immunity. I urge everybody to please spread positivity because there are many cases that are recovering as well, especially cases which do not have gross pathologies. They are recovering and the recovery rate is pretty high. Then why are we in such a panic stricken state? It is my request to the entire medical fraternity, to the country in general, to please be positive and try and not talk about COVID anymore. We know the scenario outside. All of us do. Let us not create a terror in our mind. Let us not be panic stricken. It is not going to help anybody. And it will in turn lead to worsening of the pathologies as well. Thank you. I hope we are able to spread some sort of positivity. Thanks.